So guys, we're back with another video. Welcome back to the channel, or to the channel. Today guys, we're working on the 2020, and we're actually trying to clean up the frame from the cab back. That's the main objective today, is get that sorted. We're trying to get all that grease. I don't know what it's called. It's like a rust protector or something like that. It's like for the trucks up north so they won't rust. We're gonna try to take all that off. Since my boy took care of the bed this weekend, he aligned the bed, and he put the bed mounts. He welded the bed mounts. So we're gonna be taking care of that today. We're gonna clean the frame, and we're gonna try to clean up some of the welds and make it look nice, because we're gonna pretty much undercoat the frame. And hopefully it turns out good. You know, everything's been turning out pretty good. So far so good. But we're gonna get to it, guys. We're gonna jump to it, right? We're gonna jump right in it. I got some oven cleaner. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use oven cleaner, and that's what they always recommend. That is a nice, easy, and cheap way to clean grease. A lot of people use it for motors, so I'm pretty sure it could work on the frame. And if it don't work, we're gonna go and pick up some Purple Power, and we're gonna tackle that job until we get it nice and clean, so we can undercoat this frame. But let's get started, guys. Let's see how it goes. It's kind of hot today. It says it's 100 degrees outside. I don't know how true that is, but it feels like 100. So let's get started. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all didn't get a chance to check out my last video, go ahead and check it out. We ended up going to San Antonio, and we went up to a car meet. They're wild out there, guys. They're wild. And took a couple videos, a couple shots. If you didn't get a chance to check it out, go ahead and check it out. And drop a comment, see what y'all think. Big difference, guys. A big difference from the truck scene, the car scene here in Houston, and there in San Antonio. They're wild, guys. They're wild. I haven't seen a meet like that here in Houston in a long time. Maybe we grew out of it. I don't know. But y'all go check that out. So we're gonna be using this. It's a heavy duty oven cleaner from the dollar store, Dollar General, whatever. You can see. So we got the first start on the 2020, and these are her marks. As you can tell, guys, the truck's already turned around, and the truck's running perfect, turned on and everything. I'm gonna see if the keys are here. I doubt it. I'll turn it on for y'all. But we got everything pretty much set. We coated the frame again. Still needs a little bit more. The harness is sitting where it should be. Like literally, it landed real good. The mounts are where they should be. And we're gonna take the bumpers. We're gonna take these bumpers, guys. We're gonna get them color matched. We're gonna drop these off today, right now. I'm actually gonna put them in the back of the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, guys, and be right back with y'all. So I got the bumpers, both bumpers loaded, and the grill. We're gonna be color matching the bumper, the grill, and the back bumper. I think just the metals, I'm not sure, and the chrome part, I'm not sure what my boy's going with. But I got everything loaded up. So let's roll, let's get on the road, drop the shit off. All right, guys, before we roll out, I want to show y'all one thing. Me and my girl, we picked up another truck last night, and a lot of people were upset, and they were asking why I got rid of the Tahoe. So we got another one, guys. It's a little bit beat up, but it was fair price. I think it was for what they asked for. It was a real good price. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all right now. The truck, it needs a little bit of work, but ain't no biggie. So this is her right here. Obviously she needs a bumper. You know, her bumper's a little bit crooked. We might be able to fix it, pull it out on that side, like right there. But this door and this fender, guys, they have a scuff on the side. It runs all the way back, but this is not bad at all. Like maybe a little bit of touch-up paint right here. I'm not gonna mess with that. I am gonna be replacing the door and the fender. I already sourced them, guys, and I got lucky. I found them the same green. So I guess we got that done. I'm gonna show you the interior, guys, and this is the reason that I decided to go with it and actually get it. This door handle, it don't work, obviously, because it got smashed. But the truck is pretty solid. I drove it a good 20 minutes back from where we got it. The truck is really dirty, but it's that green, guys, that, like, I don't know, this color, I love this color too. I don't know if y'all know, guys, but green is my color. But look at her, guys. She's dirty, but you know, a little bit of loving, maybe some new buttons. She has double thin already. It's off-brand, but better than nothing. We need to fix this. We need to replace that switch, all that stuff. But she turns right on. Hopefully, let me see. There she goes. And the reason I got this truck, guys, is because of the back seats. They're Captain. Third row seat is leather. It's missing a sunroof, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but it ain't no biggie. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be working on this truck pretty soon. After the truck and after the Trailblazer, this will be coming to the channel, guys. But let's go drop off them bumpers, and I have to go to the office. Gotta work today. Ain't shit. It is what it is. Fuck it, let's go. Yeah. What's up, guys? So I ended up finding the door and the fender. We're out here at LKQ right now. I already took the door off. You can tell, chilling, trying to get some shade. It's kind of hot. Trying to do this in a hurry. They're about to close. I don't know if it's exact color, guys, but it's green enough. Dark green, forest green, whatever it is. So we're gonna go ahead and take it. We're gonna run with it. Fuck it, it is what it is. I have seen some better ones online. That's why I came over here. But they were gone already. I'm surprised because it's actually a green color, you know what I mean? But it is what it is, guys. So we're gonna just take what we can find and we're gonna run with it. Obviously, I'm trying to find the best parts. The door is real good. It's alright, you know. The truck ain't perfect, so the doors ain't gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna take the door. I already got the door off, and I'm looking at another fender because this fender's kind of faded on the top. But let's see what we can find. Alright guys, so last night we ended up putting on the door. I'm missing the fender and I'm missing the bottom lip, and I hate these wheels. I hate them. They look ugly as fuck. But we're trying to get some wheels sorted. I'm actually trying to get the same ones, but just stock. I had some, but I sold them. I messed up. But we're gonna try to swap these wheels for some stock ones. I know somebody has to want these. They're powder coated white. They're professionally done. They look okay, but they don't look good on the truck. I don't like the green and the white. From far away, the rims look pale, like if they were dipped in acid or something. So we're gonna figure it out. But I got the truck cleaned out. This side it's looking better. Thinking about removing the molding. This door, guys, you know, it's not perfect. Like, it actually matches. Like, it has a little scratches here and there, you know, the door dings. I'm gonna try to, I don't know, paint a little bit of that. But I went and vacuumed the interior all the way. Back as well. The front's getting there. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this truck. For now, I'm just gonna piece it back together. Try to make it as clean as possible. She don't need much. That fender, those moldings gotta go, or I gotta find another molding for that door. I think I'm gonna just take them off. Be more simple. But we're getting there. This side is still dirty. Like, I don't know, the truck is real dried up. I sprayed a lot of what is it, that tire shine on the tires. They're still dry. I sprayed on the back and the wheel well, still looking extra dry. Same thing over here. Everything looking real dry. So we're gonna sort all that. Try to make her as clean as possible. But there she is. She's getting there. The 2020. Right there, chilling. Waiting on her parts. So yeah, stay tuned for that. What's up, guys? Fucking bored as fuck. But a lot of people have been asking me, where's the Trailblazer? Where's the Trailblazer? Where's the clone? It's right here, guys. I got some LEDs for the fog lights so I'm gonna throw them on. Same process, guys, same process. Nothing major. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the video after this.